So this one is higher mathematics. Okay. All right. So let's see how we can do it. All right. So solution. Now let's first of all, situation like this, we have this one and that. Let's first of all bring the powers down. And to bring any power down, the only way out is to take log on both sides. Yeah. And I would like to go with the natural log is ln. Okay. All right. So I'll take natural log on both sides. So have ln of 5 to the power of x, ln of x squared. All right. So this one and that. Okay. This one is a power and this one is a power. And per the log properties. Okay. So this one is under power rule. When we see this, ln of a raised to t is same as t ln of a. So we can bring this one here and bring this one here. So what is here will go behind. All right, so I will say x ln of 5 to ln of x. All right, now let's observe this one carefully. Now we can find x here, then we have ln of x here. So what we are going to do here is very simple. We are going to group the x's on one side and then one without x on the other side. All right. So I'll divide both sides by x. Okay. I want x to come here. So, and now at the same time, divide both sides by 2 times 2. So the idea is to get rid of this 2 here and also get rid of the x here. So I have ln of 5 on 2, ln of x on x. All right, so I have ln of 5 on 2, and have ln of x on x. All right, now let me ask you, have you heard of Lambert's W function before? Now, this is Lambert W function. When you have alpha times e raised to alpha, and you take W function, your answer will be one of them. So in a similar way, W function of k times e raised to k, your answer is k. That is Lambert W function. And one more thing, before we can, apply this, we have to know this. So e exponent ln of x, the answer is x. Don't forget that. So let's understand that e raised ln of box, the answer is box, and e times e raised to alpha, alpha times e raised to alpha, the blue function of that will be alpha. We are going to combine the two properties here. Okay, so let's pay attention. All right, so that is that. Now let's go ahead as we write this one in linear form. So 1 over 2 is the same as 2 to the power of minus 1. So I can say ln of 5 on 2, and this side will be ln of x times x to the power of minus 1. I have done nothing here because what we have here, 1 over 2 is the same as that. So this one is the same as that. I've done nothing. Okay. Now let's support this one, okay, with this. So this is giving us that. So I can say ln of 5 on 2. So ln of x. So instead of this, I'll make it e raised to x raised minus 1. So in going back, my answer will still be this. Okay. So remember this one. I'll get this one. Okay. Okay, so let's first of all work towards this. So we have the e here, and the e is here. So before we can take double function, what is here must be the same as what is behind here. Okay, so let's go ahead, because this one is a power which will go behind. So we have ln of 5 on 2 equals to, so we have ln of x. Now this one will come here, that will be minus ln of x. So minus 1, the same as that. So we have this. Now we are still working towards this alpha. So this side is minus ln of x. This side is ln of x. So something is missing here. All right, so I'll balance it by multiplying negative on both sides, -1. So that will be minus ln of 5 on 2. And this side will be minus ln of x, c raised to ln of x. All right, so our target is achieved here, alpha. So we said that. So from here we can take w function. So we have w function of this, w function, perfect. So we have this as minus ln of x. If indeed w function of this is given as alpha, then this one is one of them. Then we have w function on 2. Okay, now understand that we are after x, so we are almost there. Okay, now I would like to get rid of this. So if ln of x to the power of -1 is the same as this, so check that. So I can bring this one here. That will be w function of ln of 5 on 2. So this one is ln of x to the power of -1. Okay, so w function on 5 on 2. So this one is same as 1 over x. So we have 1 over x. All right, we are almost there. Okay, so what I will do here is to get rid of this. And to get rid of this, when you have ln of 4, to get rid of this, you have to raise this side with e, because e raised to ln will get this 4. Okay, so I'll raise both sides with e. So let me come to this side. So we have e raised to w. Okay, and this side e raised to ln of 1 over x. So this side will be left with 1 over x, as this side remains as that. So we have e w function. Okay, so to solve x, we can interchange this one. So we have x equals to 1 on e raised to w bracket ln of minus ln of 5 on 2. So that's the answer. So when you plug this one in Wolfram alpha, the solution, this one will pop up. Okay, yeah, so 1 on that, 1 on this. All right, so like the video, comment, and also follow or subscribe. Okay, all right, so thanks for watching.